Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. At kung bago ka sa channel na to, I'm Za and this is Za Canada. Today, we are going to talk about a new topic and it's all about rural community immigration pilot. And kung ano yan at kung ano ang bagong update dyan sa immigration pilot program na yan, panoorin hanggang dulo. So, let's get to that 2026 update fresh from the official NEBC immigration site. This is Peace Liard. So, Peace Liard is one of the rural community in BC and they allocated 60 recommendations for 2026. So, maliit lang. Maliit lang yung allocation na inilaan nila for 2026. It only means that they are going to recommend only 60 applicants for permanent resident through this intake. If other communities don't use all of their spots, kapag yung mga ibang communities under the Rural Community Immigration Pilot, kung may natira sila na spots, then Peace Liard might get some of them or might nominate more people in that province or in that area. So, you have to mark your calendars. The first intake that they're going to make is in April 1 of 2026. So, this is a major change, or these are the major change for 2026. Peace Liard is switching to a scoring or pooled ranking model, which means applications won't be processed just on a first-come, first-served basis. Before, it was a first-come, first-served basis. Ngayon, they switch into a scoring system, just like what they are doing here in BC PNP and other PNP programs na ginagawa ng mga ibang province. So, instead, all eligible candidates will be scored based on certain criteria and then rank. So, the higher your scores, you'll get the recommendation. So, mas mataas yung score na ibibigay sa'yo based on their system, then you have more chances of getting nominated or being nominated by the province. And this is huge because it gives everyone a fair shot. But you really need to optimize your application. Bakit siya fair? Kasi, for example, if you are dun sa old way nila to nominate people. For example, you have 5 years of working experience as a teacher. And then, nauna sa'yo nagpasa yung isang tao na may 6 months experience lang. Nakuha niya yung nomination kasi mas nauna siya magpasa versus sa'yo na maraming experience. So most probably, one of the factors that they are going to put in their website is work experience, or they are going to put more weight on work experience para makakuha ka ng nomination. Just like here in BCPNP. And just so you know, IRCC has set caps for certain occupations that are known to have high turnover, which means that those people na palit lang ng empleyado, which means na anywhere they can hire these people. Okay, so these NOCs or these jobs or occupations are cashiers, food service supervisor, retail supervisors, food service managers, okay? That means even if you qualify para dun sa rural community immigration pilot ng Peace Liard, there's a limit, like 5% per NOC. So, competition can be higher. Okay? So, tips on how to prepare para sa mga serious applicants or those people who would like to settle in Peace Liard region. know your priority NOC list. Okay? So focus on eligible occupations. You have to make sure that your NOC is one of the eligible occupation para makakreate ka ng profile. So prepare your documents early. You have to make sure that you have the qualifying experience or related work experience sa job na ina-applyan mo, language proof, and credentials assessment. Credentials assessments are like WES or those ECA. Okay? So build your profile so when intake opens, you can submit it fast. So follow community website and join information session in March. So there are information sessions that they are going to announce in their website para you can gain more information on how it works or when are they going to draw or to conduct their first intake. Okay? So again, I'll post the link below. Okay? Para dun sa mga tao na gustong i-take advantage yung RCIP for the Peace-Liard region. Okay? So that should be it for now. I'm hoping na may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, you always have to study, prepare, and plan kung gusto niyo talagang makarating dito sa Canada. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. At laging tatandaan, hindi kailangan marami pera, basta may peace of mind. Thank you. Bye-bye.